So integrated biodiversity assessment tool. The whole idea of this tool is whenever a particular development project is undertaken by any country, any government, now they use this assessment tool to understand the risks of that particular project to that particular ecosystem. So this assessment which is done now, this assessment first of all would be in collaboration with IUCN, UNEP, and BirdLife International. So UNEP, there is this program of UNEP now, which is World Conservation Monitoring Center. So UNEP, World Conservation Monitoring Center, along with IUCN and along with BirdLife International, these are the three institutions together constituting IBAT Alliance. Now, this IBAT Alliance was in news because it released a report that last year it has made highest ever investment in this alliance. So overall, with respect to this alliance, this $2.5 million investment has been done with respect to biodiversity data. Now let's understand how this particular assessment works. What is the assessment done? What are the data that are taken care of? So first thing, there is World Database on Protected Areas. Now this database deals with all the protected areas across the world. And when you say protected areas, now it would mean the protected areas which are legally protected areas in different countries. Second one, which is the key biodiversity areas. Now this KBA database, this is maintained by IUCN. So IUCN maintains this database, and this basically tells us what regions are important for biodiversity. Now this KBA which is there, it may be overlapping with the protected areas, because whatever are the key biodiversity areas in any particular country, majority of them would be converted into protected areas anyways. So there can be overlap over here. And the third one is again a list by IUCN only, which is the red list. Red list now deals with the threatened species. These three databases are used in assessing the risk to any particular ecosystem with respect to any development project. So overall, in this case, what is the whole idea? Is first, from this database, you identify whether it is a protected area or not. A particular development project is coming up somewhere, let's say in certain parts of Western Ghats. So what it will do is it will first figure out from this list whether it falls under protected area or not. Then it will come out to be what is its significance with respect to biodiversity. And that would be dealt with under KBA database, whether it is key biodiversity area or not. And then the third question they will ask is, in these key biodiversity areas, which are the species which are threatened species? So take, for example, if in that particular area there are large number of threatened species, then the assessment will tell that a development project would be highly risky for that particular area. So these are the three databases that it is going to use. And with these databases, it will come out with whole of the assessment regarding whether a development project should be started at that particular location or not. And this is very extensively used by governments across the world. So it is the most popular of the assessment tool with respect to biodiversity.